welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a different type of haul. This one is a Morphe makeup haul. So the first thing I got was this SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Glow Stunner Tinted Moisturizer. This one is just going to be for those hot summer days that I don't want to put on a lot of foundation, but I do want to have a finished look. So this is the color. If you can see, it matches my face pretty much. The next thing I got was this brush. It is a cream and powder blush brush, but I'm going to use it as a contour brush. The other brushes I saw, I didn't like how they fanned out because it was like skinny and then thick. I don't want all that thickness up there, so I just got one like straight edge so it'd be easier to just bronze it out, I guess. Next thing I got was this continuous setting mist. It's like a setting spray for after your makeup. You just set it on your face. I just needed to replace the one that I already had, so I got this one. Next thing I got was a volume extension mascara. This one is Major Pleasure. I don't really wear lashes at all, so I wanted a mascara that can add a lot of volume but keep my eyes natural without all that extra lash. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty big fan brush, so it has a lot of, you know, effects of that extension that I am looking for. This is also a mascara. It's the Vicious brand, by the same brand. This one is just to add a lot more lashes on here. Like I said, that extension that I need for makeup. I love the bottle. It's so cute. It's a little kitty. So this is what the brush looks like up close. It's a little smaller than that last one, but it's really gonna like give you some major lashes. The next thing I got was just this eyebrow brush. It has like a spoolie brush on one end and the other is an angle brush. So I just have this for my replacement whenever I'm done with my regular spoolie that I have now and my little angle brush. Once it gets like reused a lot, I can change over to this one. So this is just like a backup. The next thing I got was this Butter Silk Primer. This one was super soft on my skin. I really loved it. It's like really closed right now, so I'm not gonna open it, but it's a butter primer, so just to put on before the makeup. The lady said it will last forever on my face after a long day, so I got this one. It's a stick too, so you just rub it all over and you can rub it in, so I love that. The next thing I got was a foundation primer, another primer, the Equalizer. This one is just probably for smaller use makeup. I'm gonna save my silky one for like more of the dramatic, need to wear all day kind of makeup. This one will be like a casual, everyday, like just a dinner type of makeup, so I'll use that primer for that. The next thing I got was this contour palette. It has like highlight and blush on it too. It's the AF Fair Play palette. Like I said, it has the blush and everything. So there's two colors of blush. There's like an orangish color and a pink. There's a brightener, there is a bronzer, and or two bronzers, a lighter one and a little darker one. There's a contour, and then there's two highlighters, like a rose one and a cream one. So this is the little palette I got because I'm trying to get more into contouring, especially for those elaborate looks. The next thing I got was this brow powder. It's Latte. I just needed, but it's this color right here, Latte, so pretty close match right there for my eyebrows. The next thing I got was a new powder brush because the one I had, disgusting, so I threw away. So this is the new one that I got to replace it. So it's like the big fanned out. It's just closed in right now, but it's big and fanned out for your powder. Next thing I got was a lip color pencil. This color is Ginger, so it looks like that. I got another lip liner. This one is in the color Well Red. It's in this color red right here. Brow pencil. So this one is brown for your brow pencil. So I think it's in Latte as well. Yeah, it's Latte to match my, it has a spoolie on one end, and then on the other end it has the brow color. Next thing I got was the Big Prime. I love this so much. It's blue, but it's a primer for your mascara. This is what I use all the time before I put on any mascara. I have it right now, so this one's, the other one's almost gone, so I just got my new one, but it's literally blue. The next thing is just a regular spoolie. I realize I have a lot of spoolies actually, but these ones get really dirty, nasty fast, so got another extra spoolie, I guess. All right, and the last things I got here are some lipsticks. This one is a liquid lipstick. It's in Bloodshot Red. Ooh, that's a pretty color. So Bloodshot Red here. So it's like a very dark, intense red. Oh, these next two things aren't lipsticks. These two are different. This is an eyelid primer. I just got it in translucent because I have a face primer as well, but I like to get an eyeshadow primer, so it's like more specific on my eyes. So this was just translucent, so it doesn't have any color to it, but the one I'm using right now, I think it's like a light brown color, but I wanted the translucent one so that way it doesn't affect whatever else I'm wearing with my makeup. And then this one is just a concealer. So I actually needed a concealer. I wanted this one for like under the eyes, just to highlight maybe under my eyes down there too. This is the C155 Soft Matte Concealer. So it's this color right here. The one that she showed me earlier was like a little too light, so I got this one a little darker, but anything darker would have been too dark to like be a concealer. So this is just like my highlighter concealer that I'm going to be using for under my eye, brow, and under my eyes. Now these two things are definitely lipstick. So this one is a regular lipstick. It is Main Squeeze. I wanted brown colors because I don't have any brown, and some outfits don't look good with like pink or red. So I wanted like a brown, but nudes are too light and too similar to my skin tone. So it doesn't look like I have any lips. So I needed like a brown color. This one, like I said, is called Main Squeeze. Look at that brown. It's so pretty. So it's not overly brown, but it is darker than my actual skin tone. That way it can stand out and it looks like I have lips and I'm just not floating around looking at lips. And this color is called Boo. I also got some lip gloss, but they're not from Morphe, so that's why they're not in this palette or this haul. But it's like a lighter brown, so if my lipstick is too dark, I can put that over the top to lighten it up. And this is the Boo color right here. Well, thank you guys for watching this makeup haul for Morphe. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to start using this makeup and really start getting into more looks and different looks and updated Jade, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!